Well, Science 10s. Here we are, video number 2 of us being able to use molar mass as a conversion factor. So we know how to do molar mass calculations. We use our periodic table. We learned how to find mass from moles. Here's another example where, oh, what is this? What is this MMOL? This little M here. You guys remember for our units and unit conversions, this is our metric unit, milli. And so we've been given millimoles of this compound. We have to convert that before we do any work to find mass. We have to do a unit conversion. So we're asked to find the mass of this compound that's found in fertilizer. And we've got to take these millimoles, and remember back to when we did this at the start of the year, and we have this in our data booklet as well, there are 1,000 millimoles in 1 mole. So we've got to cancel out millimoles to get moles. Once we have our moles, now we can go and set up our conversion following those same steps. So remember, you have this in your data booklet, right? It's 8.58 divided by 1,000. There's 1,000 millimoles in every 1 mole. So now I'm going to show you guys an example where you're starting with mass. Here we're given mass, and this one is given in kilograms, and we have to convert to moles. So again, we're going to be using our conversion factor of our molar mass. So we write down all the information we've given. We have been told that we have this compound, sodium phosphate. And so we write down the formula for that, and then we're going to use our periodic table to find the molar mass of that. And then we have 3 sig digs in our 2.00 kilograms. We're going to convert that to grams. And then the thing that we're trying to find here, the whole point of this question is to convert and find moles. Okay, so let's do this. So using our periodic table, we look up sodium, and sodium's molar mass is 22.99. Now there are 3 of them. I see that from the formula, so I've got to times that by 3. And phosphorus, there's just 1 of those, so I look up phosphorus, it's 30.97. And there's 4 oxygens, so 4 times 16.00. Remember, we've got 2 decimal places for all of these. So your molar mass will have 2 decimal places, and you add in the units of grams per mole. Once you have that done, then let's look at what we've been given in the question. And so they have given us a 3 sig dig value, a mass of 2.00 kilograms. So since it's in kilograms, our first step is to do a unit conversion. Kilograms, and I'm going to put kilograms on the bottom to cancel it out. There's 1,000 grams in every 1 kilogram. 2.00 times 1,000 is 2,000 grams. Now, how are we going to use our molar mass? We just figured out it's 163.94. Which one are we going to use? Does it look like this? Grams times grams over moles? Or does it look like this? Grams times mole over gram? Which one are we able to cancel out grams to get moles? So let's look at this one. Grams on top. Is grams on the bottom? No, it's not. Here we have grams on the top and grams on the bottom. Okay, well, that's what we're going to do then. We have to invert or flip this molar mass, and we are now got grams times grams. So that's why we're not using this one here, right? There's no such unit as this, so we're not going to use that. So we had to flip this, grams on top, grams on bottom. This is the one we're using, and we're going to cancel out the grams to get our units of moles. Okay, so now this on your calculator, you just plug your numbers in. 2,000 times 1 over 163. That just means you're dividing by that number, right? 2,000 divided by 163.94. And your calculator has all of these digits, 12.199, blah, blah, blah. So again, your calculator does not do units. It doesn't do rounding. That's up to you to do. So we go back to our original question, and our original question says we've got 3 sig digs. So we have to have only 1, 3 digits in our answer. That means this 9 is going to make that one round up. And we don't need to put this one into scientific notation, but we do need to add our units. So our final answer, 12.2 moles, that's our units, MOL for moles, of the compound Na3PO4 solid. Okay, so you've got a couple of practice questions now you can do in this booklet, and I have the answer keys for you guys as well posted. And so if you're having any troubles, you can just email me, michelle.ledeen@ghsd75.ca. All right, that's it. That's all. Take care.